Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: battery above 20% and a good USB cable. Once done, go to Settings and find About Phone. You need the build number. Tap build number 7 times until you see developer options enabled. This unlocks the tools required. Make sure you watch for a prompt asking for your PIN. Enter it. This step exposes the developer menu where USB debugging lives, and it's necessary because Android hides advanced controls by default. Now open Settings, go to System, then Developer Options. If you don't see it, use the Settings search for Developer Options. Scroll down to the USB debugging entry and toggle it on. When the confirmation dialog appears, read it and tap Allow. You're enabling the Android debug bridge so your computer can communicate with the device over USB for installs, logs, and commands. Keep in mind this increases access, so only enable when required and on trusted machines. Finally, connect your device to the computer. You should see an RSA authorization prompt. Tap Allow to trust that computer. Once authorized, ADB will list the device and you can run commands. If you don't see the prompt, make sure the cable supports data, switch the USB mode to file transfer, reinstall USB drivers on the PC, or enable OEM unlocking if required. As a troubleshooting tip, revoke USB debugging authorizations in Developer Options and reconnect to force the prompt again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.